Hey everyone! So not long ago I shared my eggs Benedict recipe in my Instagram, and I got a lot of questions about how to make good poached eggs and people struggling. So I decided to make a quick video on how to make really good poached eggs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into it. For this I need a pot, a chicken bouillon pack, eggs, and a spoon. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my heat on to high and fill my bowl up halfway through, let it boil. Once it's boiling, I add my chicken bouillon pack and crack an egg in the boiling water with the pack. I start spinning it because I want it to keep a round shape, and I keep on spinning it and spinning it. Even though you can see some of the egg kind of falling apart, you still just want to keep on spinning it. After about a minute, you check if it's ready, like I did, and it wasn't, so I just keep on spinning it. It's gonna take about 1.5 minutes to 2 for the egg to be finally done with pretty good boiling water. Once it's done, I kind of drain it and I put it aside. Now I do my other one. If you want to do 2 eggs at the same time, that is possible, but it can get a little messier. If you're gonna start off, I would definitely start off with 1 egg and check it every 20 seconds to make sure that you don't overcook it or undercook it. Also to make sure that the shape you want is appropriate. Finally, I spin it for the last time and I check it and it is ready. So I take it out and then I put some ground pepper, some oregano, and I eat it with a little piece of garlic bread. This is a perfect breakfast. It's really quick. It takes about 10 minutes and I hope you guys love it. Alright, and that is how I make poached eggs. I hope you guys really can learn from this and make them at home and enjoy them. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more recipes, for food requests, and for food reviews, and just to know what I'm doing on a daily basis. Alright, bye!